There are few cookies left on the plate. He has a few close friends he can trust. We saw few stars last night because of the clouds. She made a few mistakes on the test, so she passed. I have few pencils in my case. They have a few apples to share. Only a few people came to the event. We have a few minutes before the show starts. There are few flowers blooming yet. She brought a few toys to share. I saw a few birds in the park today. He drank a few sips of water and stopped. There are few cars on the road today. She has a few coins in her pocket. The tree has few leaves left. I have a few questions for the teacher. They brought a few snacks to the picnic. He saw a few fish in the pond. Only a few kids signed up for the game. We took a few photos on our trip. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribe and click notification if you like this contents.